Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today is a special day everyone has to remember, and today is where we all are celebrating. The people whoever is working across the world, we have to remember that today is a international workers day where we have to celebrate, and we need to give time for ourselves and we need to appreciate ourselves. If you are working, please remember that you are the backbone of the family and you are the backbone of the nation, and even you are working for the country economy. Please friends, we can see in our family there is a person who is always working. There's a person who is always 24/7 running to the company or running to the supermarket to work or running to the manufacturing companies that to work hard. Friends, yes, today we have to stop ourselves and we need to say thanks to them. Friends, there is a daddy who is working for you. Please remember that and go forward and say thanks to him. Friends, there is a mommy who is always working. She might be a single mom or even a family. She is still working for you. So please stop yourself and go ahead and say thanks to her. And friends, there is your parents are still working for you. Please go ahead and say thanks to them. Friends, there is your grandpa, grandma, they're still working. Even in this age, they're working hard. Please go forward and say thanks to them. Friends, there is neighbors, your friend, well-wishers, they all are working. So let's have a very good community where we need to say thanks to them. We need to appreciate their hard work, because today is a day where they deserve this day as appreciation, as their appreciation and their hard work, where we need to remember and say thanks to them. My dear friends, you know, workers are really backbone of the family and they are the backbone of the nation, and their contribution for the country economy is remarkable. Friends, especially in this midst of COVID, they are not caring about themselves. They are going and every day they are working hard, and they're not even stepping back. So that is a good thing about workers. Of course, you all know. So today I want to say a special thanks and a warm regards to all the doctors and nurses. They are really superheroes. They are working hard, and their dedication, their responsibility for the health, which is remarkable, where we have to say thanks to them. We need to appreciate them, and they are the superheroes forever. Friends, likewise, there is lot of different professions like valet drivers in the supermarket, and even employees in the malls, sales outlets, and even there is a if you can go to supermarket, you can see lot of staffs. They are still working. They're not even bothered about their health. They're not scared of COVID, but still they're coming forward every day. They're showing up their duty to the every day, and they're working hard. And there's lot of restaurants are open, and even friends, there's banks are open, and even for the ladies, your beauty salons are open, barber shops are open. Friends, there is even constructions are going on. If you can check among yourself where you are staying, where you are located, just look surrounding. There's lot of workers are still working hard. If possible, just say thanks to them. Just show something that you care them. It makes them very special to them. Yes friends, we should always say thanks to them, and we should pray for their health. They're not bothered about their health, and they are always working. Friends, that is and I'm very glad to talk about workers today. Hello friends, and there is some few things I want to make highlight of this video. That is there's lot of workers. They're not only working 8 hours, they are working more than 8 hours, more than 12 hours, more than 13 hours, more than 10 hours, more than 9 hours they are working, and they are not appreciated appropriately, and as per their hard work dedication they are not treated better. They are not even given the better benefits for them, even in this midst of COVID, saying the business is down, there is no business in the company, but still they are working, friends. So we need to remember, remember everything, and we need to say thanks to them, friends. It's my time. On behalf of my channel and on behalf of my family, I want to say thanks to all the workers, whoever is working across the globe. Yes, I will agree that you are working for your family and you are working for the nation. I want to say thanks to you all, and thanks, a lot of thanks to you all. And then you deserve more appreciation, more honors, and much love from everyone. And even you deserve more salary, more benefits, and of course, not the least, you deserve the best health, good health, and more blessing from even God. Thank you so much for listening this, and thank you so much that you are the backbone of the family, you are the backbone of the country. And I have to say thank you, and you are truly appreciated. Even you are superhero in your family. Thank you so much. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Do subscribe and do support. And a lot of love and happiness and more blessings for you. Take care. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Take care. Love you all. Bye bye.